Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view birthdays on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, Snapchat gives you the ability to see all of your friends' birthdays, but it's kind of hidden within the app. They don't make it super obvious. I'll walk you through steps to find that. So I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here, and once I'm in the Snapchat app, there are a couple of different ways that you might be able to find it. One is, I'm going to tap the profile icon at the top left here, and then you might see birthdays here. Never miss a friend's birthdays. And you can click on that, and it'll pop up with this little screen, and then all these birthdays. So this is one option. However, if you want going to leave this here, if you visit that once, then it will disappear and not appear again. And you might be wondering, how do I go back to there and find out whose birthday is upcoming or today or whatever? To do that, I'm going to get out of here, and then I'm going to swipe to the right to open up my chat. So you need to open up a random chat to get back to that birthday screen. I'm just going to open up a random one here, and then once I'm on here, you can see the rocket ship to the right of where it says send a check. So I'm going to tap on that rocket ship. And then at the bottom right, you can see all games and minis. I'm going to tap on minis here, and you can see birthdays is the very first option. So I'm going to tap on that to open it. And again, it says whose birthday is upcoming, and then you can see the zodiac signs of all these different people's birthdays. I can scroll through here and see more birthdays, and I can go view all friends, and it will show me all of my friends' birthdays exactly when they are, as long as they've entered it in on Instagram or on Snapchat. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.